Are you looking for the best beach tables in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best beach tables that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Soyos Camping Table. If you like to relax outdoors, this table is a must-have item for you. The table has dull polished aluminum for the tabletop. The matte look makes the table look great in any setting, while the aluminum makes the product lightweight. Therefore, you can easily carry it anywhere you like. Although it is light, having aluminum, the table also proves to be sturdy. Besides, the product also has an aluminum frame, giving strength to the entire table. When you are outside, not every surface can be really stable. For that reason, this comes with rubber non-slip caps, giving a firm foundation anywhere you go. At number 4, Short Beach Table. This table is sure to win your heart with its exceptional performance. Proving its superior grade, it has already rightfully earned the title of Amazon's choice for itself. If you have space crunches, this table is ideal for you. Being really compact, you can set it up anywhere easily. More than that, this product allows you the privilege to use the table immediately. The table does not require any tools for the assembly. Besides, the table only needs to be folded out, coming completely assembled in the first place. Finally, the product makes use of 100% natural wood, making it an environment-friendly product as well. So, you can use it for indoor as well as outdoor requirements as well and make the feast happening. At number 3, Rio brand's personal beach table. This table has been designed for the exclusive needs of a beach. With this product, you do not need to fumble about tools. The table needs some simple assembly which does not make use of any tools. Keeping your food and drinks on the sand can be unhygienic. For that reason, the beach table has a large surface area on the top, so you can fit everything without struggling for more room. As an added plus, this product also allows you to change the height of the table according to your own preference. You can simply flip the legs between 2 different adjustments offered. At number 2, Coleman Pack-Away 4 Camping Table. For the ones looking for quality, go for this product without any concern. To assure you of its premium quality, Coleman gives an impressive 1-year warranty on the product, so you can buy it without any worry. Moreover, this product has been designed with care to cater to every small need. The table comes with 3 different height options, so that you can keep your food there and eat without any limitations. Along with that, you get leveling feet so that the table tip and fall off due to improper balancing. Besides, the mosaic laminate top looks gorgeous and entices you with its good looks. With the brackets, the table gets a proper build. At number 1, G4 Free Camping Table. If functionality is not enough for you, this product will sweep you off your feet with the appearance. Not everybody has the same taste. Therefore, the table is available in 3 different colors of blue, black and silver you get to choose from. The aluminum tabletop of this product makes use of a unique oxidation technology. This makes the table absolutely flat, without any deformation anywhere. Smooth to touch, it gives you better stability to keep things, without them toppling over. Besides, the technology also extends the life of the product. The smooth surface also makes it easier to clean, with just some wipes. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.